Yeah, they come. They say they
yeah? 4.
Is it bon?
This express is always burning every time. Look at the truck. See where I came outside. I came out with no clothes. Like, Otedola is always burning like every year. I've experienced fire burning on this express maybe like 5 to 6 times. Like, why? Government needs to do something about it. Last night while I was sleeping, I had a big crash on the same road. And while I was going to the gym that same morning, I saw a truck on the floor already. Like, I saw a truck on the ground already. Well, this needs to explode.
Rejoice among riders.
He burned that church, oh. He burned that church, oh.
you don't come late. I have to say first, you don't come late. Don't forget, you don't come late. After party.
That's the party.
After party.
See. This thing go don't burn people. Like, this church here is burnt. Hey, God of mercy. See, it's still fire. Ah, damn it. Guys, I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. This is, I don't know what to say about this road. This is crazy, man. I heard that someone died already. Oh yeah now. I don't know. I don't know say oh more. Yes, the second time you didn't go back. Fire. This thing is always exploding every year on this road. Who? What did you say? The truck fell. Damn, look at that car. The person in that car crash. Ento one motor car. Ah, fuck. Please, let's Hello?